Mr. Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Holiness, Mr. Brogard, you are turning the youths them in menace to society. You, Mr. Andrew, are turning the youths them in a gunman. You are turning the youths them in a thief. You are make the youths them go tear down the China them place. You, Mr. Andrew Holiness, you know why I never say you? Enough ghetto youths out there try to do an honest living, but just through them not have the full paperwork and everything, when you come around and tear down the youths them place. When you see a man that start them tear down, look up a White River, the youths them that White River, and Santana want them little thing, and you go shut down the man them rafting. Look how much man used to do their day and make a little money. You shut down them rafting. 99% of them man, they are one thing in them intention of you to start do wrong things in the world, whether rob and kill and thief. Are you we are blame Mr. Andrew Prime Minister?
I'm my viewers and subscribers. How you guys doing? Hope you guys doing good. So my viewers, if you don't notice what's going on in our country and thing, everything what poor people are doing, it's must say the government come and take it away. It's must say any little hustling a poor man do or a poor girl do, it's must say the government come and take it away. It's must say and the government a build crime in the country now. It's must say look on them tree around the town now where the people them shelter from the sun. It's must say and sell them little thing. It's must say them go there and them cut down the tree them. It's must say right. Tell me now people, are we are the one who vote them in and them are the one who are suffer we. Please subscribe and like and share this video. Yeah man.
So you see them 3 years they come down King Street on the bookstore side of the road. These 3 trees that street side sellers would sit under to get shade. The government of Jamaica decided to cut them down. The 3 trees that people would sit under to get shade. But on this side where the shop places are, that people do not need shade, these trees are still standing. Wow. So, and they did it in Moranby as well. I don't know which other parish they did it, but this is the cruelty of the Jamaica government or the municipality police or municipality people of Jamaica.